With Notiqoo, you can easily create, manage, and send WhatsApp flows without needing any technical skills or third-party tools. Everything works inside your familiar Notiqoo dashboard, making it ideal for business owners, support teams, and marketing users. WhatsApp flows help businesses create structured, interactive conversations using buttons, lists, and input fields for smoother communication. They're perfect for tasks like lead generation, product recommendations, feedback collection, and guiding customers step by step. To enable flows for your WhatsApp business account, you need to meet specific criteria. You must send at least 1,000 business-initiated conversations within 30 days. This shows WhatsApp that your business is active and engaging with customers consistently. Once this threshold is reached, you can request or automatically receive permission to use flows. Permissions are granted based on your compliance with WhatsApp's messaging policies. Flows help streamline communication. Instead of typing back and forth, customers can simply tap buttons or fill quick forms in WhatsApp. Let's consider one example use case. Let's say you sell products. The flow might ask, "What product are you interested in? What's your budget range? When do you want delivery?" Based on their answers, your team can suggest the right product instantly. Let's talk about how to create WhatsApp flows. Are you worried about how to get started? Don't worry, we're here to help. To begin, go to your WhatsApp app dashboard. From there, navigate to WhatsApp Quick Start WhatsApp Flow. Then click on Create Flow. You'll be asked to enter a name for your flow. For this example, I'm creating an appointment booking flow, so I'll name it Appointment Booking. Now choose a category. Since this flow is for booking appointments, I'll select Appointment Booking as the category. You can select from various categories like customer support, product recommendations, or feedback collection, based on what suits your business needs. Let's understand the difference between two types of flow templates. A template with an endpoint is used when you want the conversation to have a clear end, like confirming a booking, making a payment, or showing a final message. A template without an endpoint is more open-ended. It's great for collecting data or continuing the conversation manually later. Since my flow is about collecting appointment details without immediately confirming, I'm choosing the template with endpoint. After clicking Create, we reach the code editor screen. This is where the actual flow structure is added. If you're not comfortable writing the flow code directly, Meta provides a helpful tool called the Flows Playground. You can find it at developers.facebook.com/WhatsApp Flows Playground. Here, you can visually design each screen of your flow step by step, and see a live preview of how it will look to your users. In my flow, I want to collect both appointment and food preferences. So I create two screens. The first screen is titled Appointment Details. It has two fields: number of persons, a text input, and check-in date, a date picker. The second screen is called Food Details. Here, I add Food Preference as a drop-down menu, and Style of Cooking as another drop-down. Once I finish designing these screens in the playground, I use the Copy Flow JSON button. This gives me the complete code for the flow. Back in the dashboard, I simply paste this JSON into the flow code editor. After pasting the code, I hit Save. Now it's time to preview the flow using the Send Preview Test option. Before testing, make sure your test number has sent a message, like a simple "Hi," to your business account. This is important because WhatsApp requires the user to initiate the chat for flows to be sent. You'll now experience exactly what your customers will see. The flow begins, shows the first screen asking for number of persons and check-in date. Then moves to the food preference screen with the drop-downs you configured. Everything, from input fields to button actions, can be checked right here. If it all looks good on your phone, make sure to save the flow again. Once that's done, you can send the flow to your test number and see it in action. Everything, from input fields to button actions, can be checked right here. If it all looks good on your phone, make sure to save the flow again. Before you send a flow, make sure the customer's number has messaged your business within the last 24 hours. This is required because WhatsApp only allows businesses to send flows to users who have recently started a chat. Finally, hit Publish to make your flow live and ready to be used. Publishing ensures your customers can start interacting with your flow seamlessly. After you publish the flow, you'll see two options, Done or Add to Template. You can choose either. If you click Done, you'll need to go to the Template section manually to link the flow. If you click Add to Template, it will take you there automatically. If you click Done, you'll need to go to the Template section manually to link the flow. First, go to your WhatsApp Manager. Click on Create Template to get started. Choose Type and Category. In the first step, select the category as Marketing. Then, choose Flows as the template type. Now enter a template name, something simple like appointment_booking_flow. Then, select the language for your template. For example, English. Now comes the flow setup step. Now let's customize the body text for the message that customers will see first. For example, you can write, "We're excited to help you schedule your appointment. Please click the button below to provide your booking details, including the number of persons, check-in date, and your food preferences." Then add footer if you needs it. Below that, you can also change the button text to make it more engaging. Something like Start Booking or Begin makes it clear and action-oriented. Choose Existing Flow, since we already created one earlier. Then select your flow, here we'll use Appointment Booking. Once selected, you'll see the exact screens we designed earlier appear here. Now click Preview to see how your template will look. If everything looks good, click Submit for review. Now you can see that our template under review. Once the template is approved, you're all set to send it. Now we can see that our template flow is approved. Then we can send it Notiqoo Pro dashboard. Let's look how it happens. Start by opening your Notiqoo dashboard. Go to Settings, then click on Template Settings. Click the Sync button. This will fetch all your approved templates from WhatsApp, including the flow template you just created. Send flow from chat. Now go to your chat dashboard. You'll see your synced flows listed there. Select the flow you want and click Send to deliver it to your customer through WhatsApp. Once sent, the message body will appear in the chat. Now, when customers reply to your flow, their responses will appear in a table format. The table is named after your flow template. If you want to modify the flow's look or functionality, it's super simple. Go to your flow's code terminal and select the Edit option. Copy the code and paste it in JSON editor. Copy the existing code and open it in a JSON editor. Scroll to the end section of the code, where you'll find the payload. Edit it as needed, ensuring that all keys remain unique to avoid any conflicts. Once you've made the changes, copy the updated code and paste it back into your code terminal, then save it. Always ensure that each key is unique to avoid conflicts or unexpected behavior in your code. A unique key guarantees reliable identification and smooth functionality across your application. After save and publish your edited flow. Navigate to Notiqoo Settings Template Settings. Click the Sync option to update your templates. Go to the chat dashboard. Send the desired flow to the customer. Once you receive the customer's reply, observe the flow's response. The edited keys and their corresponding values will appear neatly in the table response. Compare the previous flow response with the updated one to see the differences clearly. This ensures that your edits have been applied successfully. When you send this updated flow via the Notiqoo dashboard, customer replies will be neatly displayed in the table with the updated structure. Now you can see that the previous flow and edited flow see the difference. And just like that, your flow is fully configured and ready to go.